We start this tutorial with a prepared solution with 5 scenes. To see the default transition, click on the Generate and Play button. You can observe that when you click the button, the default type is cut. To change the transition type, first click on the Transition Rules Editor and then on the plus button. A new transition will be set. Next, select the source as any scene 2D and set the transition type to fade. After doing so, destination as any scene 2D. Now click on Generate and Play button to check whether the transition is working or not. You can now see that the fade transition is applied to all transitions. We can also add a transition for one specific scene only. To do so, open the Transition Rules Editor and click on the plus button. Place the newly created transition at the top. Only then will it be applied to the scene. Select the source as Scene Home and the destination as Scene 2. Then set the transition type to Slide and Scale. Now click on Generate and Play button again. You can see that the transition from Scene Home to Scene 2 has Slide and Scale, while the remaining transitions have the fade transition. Finally, we can add a transition starting from a particular scene. For that, click on the plus button in the Transition Role Editor. After that, position the transition at the top. Then select the source as Scene 2 and set the transition type to Fade, Slide, and Scale. After that, the destination as any scene 2D. Now click on Generate and Play button to check the result.